Nothing in this video is financial advice. Hello everyone. I hope you are all well. I am recovering from my illness, and I plan on resting my voice until Christmas. Until then, I will keep uploading videos in this format to provide updates. The stock market came down hard today, but it had an intraday bounce leading to a nice push into close. Tesla, however, was plagued by even more negative news that caused the share price to close another 9% in the red. Many of the pieces of news that came out were not predictable, so the fear they incited for investors had a very negative impact on the price as capitulation perpetuates. The latest pieces of negative news impacting Tesla included the estimated Tesla order backlog decreasing to below 200,000, thus implying a large decrease in demand for cars in the United States. Investors project this to get worse as we approach 2023. Additionally, Canaccord Genuity trimmed its price target for the automaker from $304 to $275, citing cosmically bad public sentiment and a distraught shareholder base. Elon Musk is doing Elon Musk things, Canaccord's George Gianarikas wrote. Some of this is Twitter-related drama, much is not. Meanwhile, Tesla began to offer $7,500 discounts on some of its high-priced electric vehicles in the US on Thursday, doubling its previous incentives, in an effort to encourage customers to take deliveries. It's also offering credits in Canada and Mexico. Tesla cut the price of cars in China in October. The company has also tried to stoke sales and deliveries with an offer of 10,000 miles of free charging at its superchargers for customers who take delivery of their new Teslas in December. The price cuts on Tesla's Model 3 sedan and Model Y crossover were seen as a sign of weakening demand from investors, leading to an even bigger sell-off. As many production demand expectations were missed by Tesla's German Gigafactory, uncertainty and chaos involving Elon Musk and the Twitter fiasco continue, while investors continue to spread negative news, losing faith in Elon Musk. Short sellers are in paradise right now. Tesla short sellers are up $12.32 billion year to date according to estimates by Ortex, making Tesla the most profitable short so far in 2022. SPY is at a decent place. After 5 straight sell-off days, SPY had its first 2 green days. Then instead of continuing up, today we experienced crazy volatility. SPY gapped down and crashed to 374, but it bounced hard and managed to close near 381. This is a good sign of strength and there is a good chance the market will continue the uptrend. However, we also have inflationary PCE data coming out tomorrow, so that will impact how the overall market performs. We are anticipating PCE to be 5.5% with core reaching 4.7%. As long as each of them are close to expectations, the market can rally. If not, we can see the market reverse. Tesla will likely move based on the next major news catalyst that comes out tomorrow and the overall market's performance based on PCE. Tesla's support zones are at the 120 range, 117.45, 114, 110.32, and 104 with resistance at 127.5, 130.3, and 136. If Tesla finally bounces, I would expect it to revisit 130, and if it manages to break that level, I would watch 136. If Tesla fails to bounce, it will most likely visit 120, which was a critical zone in 2020. If it falls below that, there is room for it to touch 110.32. Given all the negative news that has already passed and how horrible Tesla has been performing, it must be noted that the short sellers are manipulating the stock, and they will use any piece of news to bring Tesla down. If PCE is worse than expected, the market can drop, and the short sellers will be sure to drag Tesla down hard. If PCE is better than expected, the market can bounce, and Tesla is less likely to crash, but the short sellers will still look at the next major negative news headline to use to try to bring Tesla down. Unfortunately, this extreme manipulation must be accounted for. Everyone be prepared. Anyways, please take care of yourselves. Tesla to the moon as the long term is still bright. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace out, smiley face.